Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I've got for you how to make simple clothes look good. I personally am obsessed with clothes and I love clothes. I love wearing them, I love putting outfits together, and I thought why not share with you how I make my outfit. I tried to put together some more simple clothes and not really clothes that are too extra. Everyone has those basics, you know, so I thought why not use them and put together outfits that are just a little bit more interesting. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So for the first outfit, I decided to go with a basic white t-shirt and my black flare jeans because I really love those, and I think it's just a little bit more interesting than just regular skinny jeans, so this already does make the outfit a little bit more interesting. It's just pretty basic, a white top with black pants, not really that interesting. Now I'm gonna pair this with my Nike Air Force 1 platform because I really like it when you wear like maybe a white top with, in this case, black pants, that you also wear white shoes because it just makes it look better in my opinion. And here you can see I'm adding a black belt that does have a heart detail because yeah, you gotta love those details and accessories are so important. So yeah, I decided to go with this belt, but any other belt will go with this, and if you don't really have any extra belt, then you're just gonna have to go with a regular belt. Now you can also see that I'm putting on my purple cardigan because I think it just adds some color and it makes it look so much better already. And I really like that, and it's just so cute, and it's just a really cute cardigan too, and if you don't have one, I definitely recommend you buying one. Now you can't really see it, but I also added some silver jewelry because jewelry is so important, and I never really used to wear a necklace, but it is so important and it really does put your outfit together. It just looks so good and I love it, and you can see up close I'm wearing my butterfly jewelry because I just think it's so cute and I really love it, and I really do love this outfit too. Like, I wear this almost every week because it is so cute and I love it so much, and it's really cute. Now for the second outfit, I decided to go with a simple oversized t-shirt that's not really that much, you know, and I paired it with my simple blue mom jeans, and now you can see I'm wearing my checkered Vans because they just kind of stand out and it makes the outfit more interesting already, but you can just wear simple white sneakers with this too. It really doesn't matter that much, but I just thought I'd go with that. And I could also see I tucked my shirt into my pants because I think it makes you look so much better, and if you're short like me, it makes you also look longer, definitely if you're wearing high-waisted jeans like me. And now I'm adding a belt because it just pops out your waist much more and it just looks so much better in my opinion. And it's also a little bit more extra belt with details because it has holes in it, of course, and you can actually find this anywhere because it's very popular and I really like it, and it just mixes well with the outfit. Now I also put in some silver jewelry again, different jewelry than before, but I really like it. And I also put some things around my arms because I'm wearing a t-shirt. It makes my arms look kind of naked actually, and just to break that nakedness, I just put things around my wrist just to, yeah, make it look better and just make me feel less naked. It just looks much better in my opinion, and they're also colored just to add a little bit more color to the outfit. And this is my final look, and I really love it, and I think it's so cute, and it just has all these patterns in it, but that's what makes it so cute. Now for the third outfit, I decided to go with a tank top, and it's not that simple, but any tank top would go with this. Honestly, it doesn't really matter that much, and I paired it with my black mom jeans because it's just cute. And I gotta say, these pants are a little big on me, but I'm gonna fix that. I just think it's so cute, and I did pick for a colored tank top because it looks cute because I love color. Now I did add some socks different socks than before. These are a little bit higher and they have this ruffle on the top, and I really like them. And then I also paired them again with my Nikes, and I think it looks so cute, and just the socks just add a little bit more than just regular socks. Now I also put on a belt, and I chose for a pretty simple belt, but honestly any other belt would go with this, but because I do have like this flower pattern on my top, I decided to go with a more simple belt, but it still looks good in my opinion, and it's also just most of all because the pants are just too big on me. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna layer, and I'm gonna put this white shirt underneath my tank top, and you might have seen this before because it's really cute, and honestly I never thought that I could pull this off, but you can pull this off with any shirt and any tank top that you have. So I would definitely recommend you to try it out because it is so cute, and it just, I don't know what it is, but it just changes your whole outfit. It also definitely breaks the nakedness of your shoulders, because with a tank top your shoulders are so naked, and it's not that I don't like that, I do, but I don't know, I just think this looks better. And now I also put again some silver jewelry on, and just to break the nakedness of my arms I also put something on my wrist again. Now I chose for pink and blue because the tank top has pink and blue, of course. Now the colors are a little bit more dark, but just don't be scared to mix colors, mix patterns, just go for it, and you just gotta try it out. I promise you, you will definitely put something together that no one else wears, because you mix and match, and not everyone does that. Now for outfit 4 I decided to go with a little bit more simple, more basic clothes. So I'm wearing my skinny jeans in here, my black skinny jeans with a white t-shirt, and it does have some more color and flowers on it because I like colors. And again, of course, I'm gonna pair this with my white Nikes because yeah, I'm wearing a white shirt. So in my opinion, it just looks really good, and you really gotta pay attention to it. And it's not that you can't wear black shoes with this or anything. It's just that I prefer that, but everyone prefers something else, of course, and you just really have to try it out for your own and see what looks best. Now I also added a belt, of course, and I went for the one with the heart again. It's not that extra, but it is cute, and it has those little details, and it just makes the outfit look so much cuter and more put together. And I really like it with this outfit. And now I'm also gonna add some bigger hoop earrings because it just makes it stand out more. Because the outfit is pretty simple, you just have to accessorize more, and you have to make the accessories stand out and make your outfit more interesting. So accessories and layering are definitely like the key to an interesting outfit. And now you can also see me put something on my wrist again, and I also put those hair clips on my pockets because it's so cute, and it adds more colors, and it also kind of breaks the black of the pants because it's just like black, you know. And I also paired this with my yellow bag, and I understand if you don't have a yellow bag, or maybe you don't even have a colored bag at all, that's fine. You can just pair this with any other bag, but I just decided to go with the yellow one just to add more color. But if it's not you, definitely don't do it. You do have to stay close to yourself. A black bag or maybe a brown one would definitely also be good and would just make your outfit more interesting. Now I still think this outfit looks really cute. It's more simple, but because of all the accessories, it just looks so much better and more put together, and it's just so important that you do that, and I really like it. So that were all the outfits that I had for you, and I really hope you liked them, and I really hope this video helped you too, because yeah, that was kind of the point about this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I upload a lot about fashion, and I do upload every Tuesday, so definitely get subscribed because why not, you know? And I hope I will see you next Tuesday. Bye bye!